Alright, here we are again at our secret spot. Well, I don't think it's just our secret spot. But this is in the Heron's Nest Nature Preserve in Lakewood Ranch. And I believe this water that flows through here is called Wolf Slough.
Yeah, I think you're right.
And it's very beautiful.
You can see boards lining up the tree there behind you. And,
Oh yeah, right up there. Looks like kids
Tom Sawyer.
kids probably, yeah, little Tom Sawyer and Huck Finn kids probably come back here and dive into the water, probably when it's a little bit deeper than it is now. Right now I'd say it's about maybe a foot deep. I'm not even sure you could get a kayak through there right now. You'd probably drag the bottom. But it is gorgeous. This little island here.